Wait a minute, Cole.
Don't give me that woo-woo
It's
crap.
gonna happen.
You gotta be, no way. Not the
Woo,
Rough
woo,
Riders.
woo.
Come on. I believe in it. He just been the United States champion
That
again.
was huge.
2 weeks in a row. Riders been the champion 2 weeks in a row.
The winners of this match, the team of Kofi Kingston, Evan Bourne, and Zack Ryder.
Oh yeah, real smart business choice, Nation Ryan.